Lassiri, the Italian, in the white and black, goes for the outside leg kick early, circles off to his left, staying away from the power side of the Southpaw Sentinel. There's the power early on from the back leg.
You can see Lassiri's got a very wide guard. His elbows are flared out. That's going to open up his body to a lot of leg kicks or body kicks.
Oh, the big one! The Italian doing a quick count of his team. Remember, 3 knockdowns in 1 round. 3 knockdowns in 1 round, and the match is over. That's number 1. Singh house on fire early. And look at him come forward. These 4 ounce gloves here for Singh and Lassiri for the first time ever. Gut-punching knee from the Italian. Lassiri tried to sweep out the support leg. Lassiri has to commit when he comes forward. He can't stop halfway and find himself in no man's land. There's a good hook from the Italian.
You can see both these athletes come out tremendously fast for a first round of a Muay Thai contest.
Lassiri trying for the combinations, goes upstairs. Singh hooks on a straight left, the high left roundhouse kick. Thought about the teeth kick, does so off the back leg. Uppercut elbow from the Thai. Lassiri did not want to engage in the Muay Thai clinch with Singh.
Small gloves have got to change the clinch game. You get so much more control to be able to control your opponent's head with those small gloves.
Double roundhouse kick to the rib cage there from Singh. Double forearms down from Lassiri. Beautiful dunk from the Thai. Singh establishing his dominance early. Now, of course, a dump is when you throw your opponent to the canvas. It's not considered a knockdown, folks. It's a dump. It does mean that the opponent has to pick themselves up off the canvas. It is mentally, but more so psychologically, deflating. And at the moment, Singh, house on fire, all out aggression, hunting for the knockout.
And you can see the pressure that Singh is applying. The way he's framing off and he stepped in with that beautiful elbow.
Singh giving a lesson. Muay Thai 101s for a 2-time Muay Thai world champion. Back elbow there from Lassiri. Now they tie up and referee Onari breaks them.
You can just see the damage caused by that elbow from Lassiri. But there is no quitting this kid. He's got so much heart. He is so tough. We saw that in the Sam A match. He just continually pushed forward.
This is a different Lassiri than we saw against Sam A. This is a more gutsy, a more determined Lassiri. And Singh not phased. He's on worse cuts and shaving. Listen to the crowd, give it up for Singh Portalagun. The man who defeated cancer has been rampaging in this opening round.
Man, the elbow that did the damage was so beautiful. The way that Singh framed off Lassiri, put his hand on his throat, and then just stepped in for a beautiful left elbow. And that's what opened up Lassiri there.
Bigelow Jolbin Arara watching from Taiwan to Moises Agosto from Providence, Rhode Island in the USA. Sandy Nye watching from the Netherlands. Aini Shinzui from Taiwan, also Russell Solentes Silagan from Taiwan. Wherever you're watching live, 138 countries around the world. Also live on Facebook, live on Twitter, live on the One Championship app. We hope you're enjoying our prelim card from the sold-out Singapore Indoor Stadium. And Lassiri bounds back to center cage, eager to get on with it. And Singh backs him up, throws a left roundhouse kick, doubles up with it. Will he go in triplicate? Yes, he does. Goes down to the legs. Double jab.
The way he closes distance and sets in those elbows.
Second knockdown of the round. One more and it's all over. Lassiri needs to survive another 10 seconds, I believe. Singh comes forward again. And there it is, end of the round. Now, don't forget, folks, that's 2 knockdowns already against Lassiri. 4 knockdowns over the course of the match, and it's over.
What a round for Singh Tong Noi. Here's that elbow. Take a beautiful fake the kick. Went right in with a straight left hand. Beautifully done. There's that frame. Oh, look at the way he framed off and created the distance and then just landed that elbow. Oh. Are you sure he's been out for this long, Michael? How long has he been gone?
No, signs of ring rust after some 4 years for Sing Tanoi, showing his experience. The man's been around for so long. He's beaten them all. He's taken them all on. And here he is putting on an absolute clinic against Lassiri. But we did say how durable Lassiri is. And he comes out for the second round. He's got 2 knockdowns against him. Sellout crowd here at Singapore Indoor Stadium. It's alive. And it's only our prelims. I don't think this one goes another 3 minutes. The way Sing Tanoi looked in that first round, he is here to make a big statement indeed in his comeback. Tracking roundhouse kicks to the forearm. Now what that'll do is cause Lassiri to drop his arms once they tire, once they get hurt. And that'll leave his head exposed to the round kick up to the neck. Good jab there from Sing Tanoi. He said with the 4-ounce gloves he would be more powerful than ever. We saw it in the opening round. Good knees on the clinch here from Lassiri, then he breaks off.
He was trying to pivot away and create maybe a dump there, but you can just see the base of Sing Tanoi. Muay Thai athletes have some of the heaviest hips. It's almost impossible to take down a 300-match veteran like that because they're so heavy in their hips.
Left hook from Lassiri, bouncing up and down behind the ball with his feet. Should throw the right hand for company. There it is from the Italian. Left roundhouse kick from Sing Tanoi. On the outside here, the Thai. Lassiri spinning back elbow and a crossing elbow. Beautiful work there from Lassiri. And now the Italian putting on a show.
This is a much better round for Joseph Lassiri.
Lassiri's confidence is flowing here in the Lion City.
Oh, man, look at his arm, Michael. It looks like a Ziploc bag full of hamburger. Those big kicks, rather, are just deadening that arm. That's got to have effect as this match goes on.
Meanwhile, look for one man to execute a dump. No, referee Onari breaks them. What a start to this round from Lassiri.
And I am a fan of Joseph Lassiri. There is no quitting this kid. He is just full of heart and determination.
That cutter's opened up a little more. We say a big hello to all of our fans, to those watching in Nashville, Tennessee. It's Austin Pierce. A big hello to you. And Dunley Tayabunja watching from Baguio City in the Philippines. They'll be supporting all the Team Lakai athletes tonight. Look at it. Sold out more than a week ago. Singapore Indoor Stadium. It's the hottest ticket in Singapore. Right now, it's the place to be. Been all over the media all week. One championship does it again. The largest martial arts organisation on the planet. You're watching a One Super Series Muay Thai contest. You can watch them all live, all free, all fights on the app. Download it now.
Go! Lassiri comes racing forwards, right in the middle of the cage. Takes command of the distance.
After his outing against Sam Gang, Hidell didn't go so well. Lassiri, you feel, has really redeemed himself here tonight. There's a house kick to the base there from Sing Tanoi. Now the Thai is loading up the heavy artillery.
Sing Tanoi's trying to finish it. He's coming forward, using one of those elbows again.
2 elbows, the legs almost buckled on Lassiri. They clinch up against the cage, do a little bit of a tango. Gut-wrenching knee there from Lassiri. Breaks off now. Thought about the front kick that Sing Tanoi goes with the hands to the jaw to no avail. Thrusting jab. There's the left cross up in the southpaw stance of the Thai. Kicks to the back leg.
The pressure of Sing Tanoi. Look at him faking that push kick. Coming in, that's where he slides in with that elbow. He fakes the push kick, lifts the leg up, and slides in with the elbow. Big body kick to the arm again.
Those ribs of Lassiri must be hurting. They are damaged and bruised. They do score on damage in One Super Series. And certainly Sing Tanoi doing that to the forward and to the body of Lassiri. Oh, it's off. Atsushi Onari has waved it off.
Joseph Lassiri,
Lassiri is devastated. He's very emotional here, but a good call I feel from referee Onari. Because Sing Tanoi inflicted the damage on Lassiri. What a return for Sing Tanoi Portalakur.
He came back, he beat stage 3 cancer, and now he beats another one of his toughest opponents, Joseph Lassiri. Look at this, that's a beautiful spinning back elbow. Joseph Lassiri put on a show, throwing elbows of his own. Look at that, fakes the push kick. There's that frame, oh, big left hand. He just kept opening up that cut a little bit too much. The referee Tong Noi comes away with another huge win to add to that already stacked resume, Michael.
Big cheerio to Billy Ackley in the United Kingdom. I know that Billy enjoyed that one, as did we. I'm sure you all did. Wherever you're watching around the world, could that be the GoDaddy knockout of the night? Let's go to Dominic Lau to make it all official.
Ladies and gentlemen, your referee, Mr. Atsushi Onari, has put a stop to this contest after 2 minutes and 36 seconds in the second round. For your winner, by way of technical knockout, Sing Tong Noi Portelaku!
What a message of inspiration to those battling or having battled cancer around the world. Sing Tong Noi Portelaku, a legend in the Muay Thai world, makes his one Super Series debut and does so in the highest of fashion.